Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You should start now. Plug in or confirm 30% battery and steady the phone. Open the camera app using the home icon or quick power press. Once opened, grant location and microphone permissions so photos and videos tag and capture audio correctly. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off if you need alerts. Then tap the top gear to access basic settings, exposure, grid, and resolution, so you don't discover limits mid-shoot. Proceed once those toggles match your plan. Now focus on how you capture. Choose photo for general use, video for motion, night for low light, or portrait for depth. Tap 1x or swipe to 5x or ultra-wide to alter framing. Use physical pinch to fine-tune. Adjust exposure with the slider after tapping to lock focus. Enable HDR if scenes have bright highlights and dark shadows. For control, open Pro to set ISO, shutter, and white balance. This is where you trade automation for predict. Finish by confirming file formats. Pick HEIF for smaller photos, JPG for compatibility. Set video resolution to 4K/30 or 1080/60 depending on storage. Once saved, back up to Google Photos and use Quick Share to move files fast. Make sure you review media and disable unnecessary overlays before final shots. If the camera app freezes or behaves oddly, force close it, reboot the phone, and clear camera cache. This usually resolves configuration conflicts and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.